go. There's your penguin. Tiago's tips. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making a penguin out of these materials. A cardboard box, scissors and a pencil, a paintbrush, and some different color paints. I got this great activity from this book. This is called My Big Book of Summer Activity. Thank you for Miss Renner for this book. Can everybody say Miss Renner in the camera? This is the penguin we will be making. These are the shapes we need to cut. Trace the shapes on the cardboard. We have the feet, the head, and the body. We need black, we need white, we need yellow, and we need red. That's all the colors that we need. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with painting the head black. Then we paint the feet red. Then we paint the middle of the body white. We paint the beak red, and we add 2 yellow dots on both of the sides to make the eyeballs. Then we paint the rest of the body black on the both sides. You can paint something today because it can be very, very quick to dry. Especially if you put it in a very, very hot spot. So even if it's wet still, you could just blow it. Then we add the dot for the eyeball in the yellow spot. Then my dad cuts a little slit to put it all together. I'm getting all of that on camera.
Okay.
And then we put the body on it and the head, and ta-da, you have your penguin. There you go. There's your penguin. This is such an easy project. If you make it, send me a picture. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.